Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we will review another store, that is salesnicker.store. So let's begin with our video, and if you are curious to know about this store, just watch the video till the end, and by the end you will be able to know either this is a scam or legit store, as people from Canada and United States are very curious to know about it. So let's check out the details of this store. This is an e-commerce platform where the website claims a wide range of Nike, Adidas, Air Jordan, Adidas, Yeezy, NMD, etc. Every color and size of sneakers are available on the podium. It also claims free shipping and free return. It claims 100% authentic product. Black Friday sales are going on a discount up to 90% off running. The website store members operates more than 660 stores in 47 states. So the question is salesnickers.store legit or a scam? So if you are not satisfied with the product, you can return exchange them in. It claims a 12-month warranty on each shoes. It also claims the best price guarantee as the prices look too. So just check out the features of the store. It is HTTPS secured domain name. You can mail them for any query. They have mentioned their email address, but it is not actually matching the domain name. That is not a positive sign. Contact number and company address is also not mentioned on the website. It has taken an estimated delivery time of 7 to 9 days. No shipping orders are applicable on order of 3 pairs. So the positive point of this website that it offers you 12-month warranty on each product, on your each shoe pair. It claims 100% authentic item. The price of items are too low. It holds average trust, that is 50%, and it has an average trust rank of 58.1 out of 600. So the negative aspects of the website that customers reviews do not reveal on the website as well as on other podium. There is no working on collective social site like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Moreover, we have noticed that even email support is already used in another suspicious website. It was created on 14th May 2021. It is very young domain. It does not share company address and contact number for direct communication. No payment method visible before checkout. So the question is still either it is legit or a scam store, as the website creation date is too new, just 1.5 months old, and it has 50% trust index, has 58 trust rank out of 100. It claims big brand shoes at good prices. Friday sale is going on, but there is no need to pay extra amount on shipping charges. No payment available visible for before checkout. Only accept MasterCard. Customer feedback is not available. No social media presence. So when we conclude our discussion, we can say that as the domain age is very young, but average trust rank and average trust score, low prices and discount running, users reviews section of social media totally not available, and many more. So it makes it little suspicious. So we will just suggest you that before any purchase, please check out all the specification and do your own research, so you can make a wise decision for this shopping store.